printed this Pegasus on the Sovol Pro 1, and we used multiple colors. I'll explain those here momentarily. The Pegasus itself is obviously 3 colors. That is going to be the roll of ERYONE on the right hand side, and that is the colors set up as red, blue, and green. You can see better here. The platform it's standing on, if you will, the base, we did in the YOUSU, and we used the gold glitter black. And then for the base itself, we used Geeetech PLA in plain gold. A couple color shifts, and I am thrilled with the results on the Pegasus. And that was printed on the Sovol Pro 1.